In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D text in Figma. 3D text effect in Figma, design hacks. We'll turn flat text into a clean, dimensional look using a simple plugin, and I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along easily. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to your workspace. Open your page or file where you want the 3D text to live. Make your text ready by adding a text layer and typing the word or phrase you'll be transforming. Choose a clear, bold font so the effect reads well. Adjust the size so it's easy to see and set the base color you like. Make sure the text layer is selected before we continue, because the plugin will use whatever you have selected. Next, click Actions to open Figma's Quick Command Search. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use the Quick Search hotkey to get there faster, but clicking Actions works great. Inside that panel, click Plugin. Now enter oblique in the search field. When you see the oblique plugin appear, click it, and then click Run Now to open its controls. The plugin will show fields for angle and projection distance. Set the angle to 10. This angle tilts the projection so your text appears to pop in a consistent direction without looking too extreme. Then set the projection distance to 20. Think of this as the depth of the 3D effect. A higher number pushes the text farther back and creates a longer shadowed edge, while 20 is a solid, balanced starting point. You'll also see a color option. This color applies to the projected faces and edges of the effect, so feel free to select a color that complements your base text or matches your brand. A slight contrast often makes the 3D look more pronounced. Once those settings are in place, click Project. The plugin will generate the 3D effect by creating the extruded layers behind your original text, giving it depth and a subtle, professional dimension. If the result looks too deep, try a smaller projection distance next time. If it feels too flat, bump it up a bit. Thin fonts can look fragile with 3D, so using a medium or bold weight helps. You can always undo and rerun the plugin with different values until it matches your design. And that's it. You've created a clean 3D text effect in Figma with just a few adjustments. Save your file, and you're ready to use this treatment in headers, thumbnails, or feature callouts across your projects.